This is Coach Mike with natural ways to boost testosterone.
You ever wondered what can power up your manhood and overall vitality? Well, it's all about the T word, testosterone. This hormone plays a crucial role in men's health and well-being. We're about to delve into natural ways to ramp up your testosterone levels. Stay tuned to discover how to unlock your full potential. Firstly, look into your lifestyle. How active are you? Regular exercise, particularly resistance training and high-intensity interval workouts, can significantly boost your testosterone levels. Aim for at least 30 minutes of physical activity most days of the week. Also, don't underestimate the power of quality sleep and effective stress management. Chronic stress and poor sleep can lower testosterone levels, so it's important to prioritize sleep hygiene and stress reduction. Remember, a healthy lifestyle is a testosterone-friendly lifestyle. Now let's talk about the fuel for your body, nutrition. The food you eat has a direct impact on your hormone production, including testosterone. A balanced diet rich in vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats is key. Be sure to include fruits, veggies, lean proteins, and healthy fats like avocados, nuts, and olive oil. Zinc and vitamin D are particularly crucial for testosterone production, so ensure these nutrients are plentiful in your diet. So, pack your plate with nutrient-dense foods for that testosterone boost. Supplements can also be your allies in this journey. Including zinc, vitamin D, and omega-3 fatty acids in your regimen can support healthy testosterone levels, especially if you're deficient in these nutrients. Remember to consult with a healthcare professional first. Supplements are not substitutes, but valuable additions to a balanced diet and lifestyle. Last but not least, let's tackle weight management. Excess body fat, particularly around the abdomen, can lower testosterone levels. A balanced diet and regular exercise are key to maintaining a healthy weight. Achieving and maintaining a healthy weight can give your testosterone levels a natural boost. So, there you have it. Embrace lifestyle changes, nourish your body with a balanced diet, consider supplements if needed, and manage your weight. Incorporating these strategies will naturally boost your testosterone levels. Start your journey to optimize your hormonal health and unlock your full potential today.
Like and subscribe.